we'll guide you through how to join the Printful affiliate program. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printful website on your desktop. Once you're there, scroll all the way down to the footer of the page and look for the affiliate program link. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the affiliate program page. Here, you'll see some information about the benefits and how the program works. Read through this to get a good understanding of what you're signing up for. Next, click on the Join Now button. This will prompt you to either sign into your existing Printful account or create a new one if you don't have it already. If you need to create a new account, fill in your email, create a password, and complete any other required fields. Once you're logged in or registered, you'll be directed to the affiliate dashboard. Here you can find your unique affiliate link, track your referrals, and see your earnings. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. It's really intuitive and will help you manage your affiliate activities effectively. You can promote your affiliate link through your website, social media, or any other creative means you have in mind. Remember to adhere to any guidelines Printful provides to ensure you're marketing their service correctly. Joining the Printful affiliate program is a great way to earn some extra income by promoting a service that prints and ships custom products. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.